I got air ride on this truck, and in order to fit the front wheels up underneath the fenders, we relocated the battery back here to the back. One thing I don't see when they sell battery relocation kits is a fuse, because you used to have the battery with a very short cable go into the fuse box, and if something happens, the fuses blow there. But now it's got a cable that goes all the way along the length of the truck back up to the fuse block. And then if you're in a wreck or something and a car T-bones you here, then the battery cable can be pinched and you could end up having sparks and fire because there's no fuse to blow in the battery. So what I ended up doing is I bought a stereo fuse holder online, bought a little battery terminal from a hardware store, or AutoZone, or O'Reilly's, and mounted this fuse block to the connector, bolted it on, and I put a 300 amp fuse in there. Hope that's big enough. Got the negative here, positive there, 300 amp fuse. Hopefully it doesn't blow when I try to start the truck, because I don't know how much power the starter uses, but I know my stereo has a 150 fuse and doesn't blow. So I think this will be okay. Hopefully 150's small enough to blow that if I'm in an accident or something, and keep from having a bunch of sparks catch the truck on fire. So I'm gonna start the truck and see if that fuse stays.